Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Production possibilities curves show trade-offs between goods, so let's find the opportunity cost of moving from point Z to point M on this specific graph. Examine point Z on the graph. At this point, the economy produces 8 units of good Y and 0 units of good X. Next, we move to point M to see the change in production levels. At point M, the economy now produces 5 units of good Y and 2 units of good X instead. To obtain 2 units of good X, we sacrifice 3 units of good Y. The opportunity cost is exactly 2 units of good X.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by watching signs. Trust given data and check your steps carefully.